guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the things that I no longer buy. तो आप लोगों को पता है मैंने आई थिंक अपने पुरानी किसी वीडियो में मेंशन भी किया था दैट आई नाउ वांट टू लिव अ वेरी मिनिमलिस्टिक लाइफ. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है वो अपने पास होल्ड अप कर लूँ एंड those products don't even end up getting used. So this is one of the reasons that I have to a great extent stopped doing hauls on this channel. I don't remember when was the last time I did a makeup haul or any kind of beauty related haul. So the item number one is lip liners. Okay, there was a time when I was a makeup beginner and I wanted to try every makeup item in this world, and that's when is the time when I really purchased a set of lip liners. And uske baad I never really saw any use of it. I mean, I'm just a kind of person who just wanna get done with her makeup. I don't like really defining my lips, like first scrubbing my lips and then applying my lipstick. That's a very elaborate process that I'm really not interested in. I just want to take my lipstick, line my lips with the same lipstick and do my lipstick, and then I am done. So this is one of the reasons that I no longer buy lip liner. I think I do have some set still with me, but that's just lying in my vanity and I don't end up using it. Item number two that I don't buy anymore, and something which I am extremely embarrassed to admit, is cheap ass makeup. I have been that kind of person who has bought stuffs for 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 50 rupees from Sarojini Nagar or from brands like Blue Heaven. If you don't know, Blue Heaven also have a 25 rupees foundation. So I am guilty of purchasing those products mainly for two reasons. Firstly, there was a time when I couldn't afford a lot of expensive makeup, so I preferred to invest in 50 rupees, 100 rupees makeup because that was within my budget. And second reason to do cheap makeup under 50 rupees, makeup under 25 rupees. I'm not saying all cheap products are bad. कुछ प्रोडक्ट ऐसे भी थे जो मुझे अच्छे लगे, उनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी थी. There was a time when Mars, ADS, Hillary, Rhoda, these kind of makeup also we used to get for 50 rupees or less than 50 rupees, even for 10 rupees in local market. But हम लोगों ने उसको इतना ज़्यादा YouTube पे शो करा है, इतना प्रमोट करा है, मैंने या मेरे फेलो यूट्यूबर्स ने, कि आज वो सारे ब्रांड्स भी they are no longer cheap. They are selling their products for 300, 500, even till 1000 rupees. So the bottom line is that being from acne prone skin and I still get breakouts, you know. So I have really stopped buying cheap makeup. Item number 3 that I have completely stopped purchasing is neutral eyeshadow palette. Now don't get me wrong, I have purchased lots and lots of eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow palette, but the truth is that I don't do eyeshadow on a daily basis. The only time I would be using eyeshadow palette is when I'm elaborately going to do a makeup tutorial or doing any kind of makeup content on this channel. Apart from that, I have never been able to use neutral palettes anywhere in my life. And uske alawa bhi, if you guys know me as a person, as a personality, I'm always attracted to bright things. So I would prefer a bright eyeshadow. I would love to do a bright eyeshadow eye look, but neutral is just not my cup of tea. I just don't feel very confident in it. I feel like मैंने शायद कुछ भी नहीं makeup किया है if I end up doing any kind of nude eye look or nude lips. So that's the thing, and there is no point. Every neutral color looks same. So even if I'm purchasing 5 palette with the same color coordination, I'm damn sure that 4 of them will have similar shade. So there is no point in me purchasing lots of neutral palette when you can just get yourself one and be done with it. On the same note of neutral family, the 4th item that I have completely stopped purchasing is nude lipsticks. So getting influenced by all the nude wave on YouTube where everybody is obsessed with nude lipsticks, peachy nude, brownie nude, mauvey nude, pinkish nude. I have also ended up purchasing a lot of nude colors. And when I look back, I realized that I have never been a person who likes nude lipstick in a first place. I'm more of a person who likes bright lipsticks. I would love a bright pink. I would love a bright red. In fact, people don't feel comfortable wearing red, but I'm the person who would wear red every single day. Whether I'm going to mandir, whether I'm going to office, whether I'm going anywhere, I don't care. I like bright peppy colors. Nude is not my cup of tea. But सबसे influence होके I have ended up purchasing lot of nude lipsticks and I never ever wear them. Every time I wear it, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that I have not applied anything on my lips, which is the purpose of a nude lipstick, to be honest. But I'm just not about that life. I want my lipstick to show, to pop, for everybody to know that I am wearing a lipstick. So yeah, this is not my cup of tea, and that's the reason that I have completely stopped buying nude color. Makeup items that I have completely stopped purchasing. Number 5th is too many mascaras at a time. So I'm the kind of person who loves mascara because I have very thin eyelashes and my eyes are very small. You guys can see, compared to my face, my eyes is very small, and mascara just gives a lot of definition to my eyes, and maybe that's one of the reason I love mascaras. And I end up buying a lot of mascaras, and let me be very honest, mascaras are not cheap. अगर आप अच्छी क्वालिटी का mascara जो genuinely आपके eyelashes के लिए कुछ करे, because all the cheap ass mascaras that I have tried, they do nothing. They are just completely waste of your money. So if a good quality mascara you want, वो हमेशा expensive होगा. And उसके बाद भी mascara की shelf life बहुत कम होती है. Beyond 6 months, that's the maximum time you can use. उसके beyond आपको उसको discard करना ही पड़ता है. And then उसके साथ साथ mascaras में आपको कभी ये भी पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपकी mascara ख़त्म हो गई है कि नहीं हुई है. You just have to discard it. You can never ever be sure if a mascara has emptied or not. उसके ऊपर से भी I end up purchasing lot of mascaras, and कितनों को मैंने completely use किया है I have no idea. सब expire हो जाते हैं, and if you combine the total price of all those mascara, it would be a huge sum of money. So that's one of the reasons that I am controlling my urge to have just one mascara, use it for 6 months, discard it, and then have another mascara. 6th item that I no longer buy is a hand cream. I don't know, I have never been obsessed with hand cream. I hope you guys know that. Never been a complete fan of hand cream. I'm just okay with my moisturizer, and to be honest, I don't even moisturize my hands. So if you can see, they are very rough. They look really rough. So I don't really see any usage of hand cream for me. And even on days when I really want to moisturize my hand, I just feel that a good moisturizer, deeply nourishing moisturizer, can also do the same job. So there is no point for me to spend 500-600 rupees on just getting this much tube of a hand cream, जबकि उतने ही पैसों में मेरे को इतनी बड़ी बॉटल मिल सकती है moisturizer. Item number 7 that I have completely stopped buying is a sheet mask. So मेरे को 100 रुपये का sheet mask बिल्कुल भी economical नहीं लगता है. I just feel कि I can have those compressed sheets, which I also have in my home, and I can make any DIY serum. I can put that compressed sheet in that, and I can have my own sheet mask. But 100 रुपये का शीट मास्क लेना सिर्फ एक यूसेज के लिए मेरे को कभी समझ नहीं आया. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर वन ऑफ द रीज़न दैट आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्राइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि इतने अच्छे रिव्यूज़ थे, लाइक योर स्किन बिकम मैजिकल और समथिंग. तो इस वजह से मैंने फिर भी काफ़ी सारे शीट मास्क ट्राई करे हैं, एंड आज की डेट में मेरे पास 10 शीट मास्क पिछले 7-8 महीनों से मेरे फ्रीज़र में, फ्रिज में पड़ा है, एंड आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू ब्रिंग माई सेल्फ टू यूज़ इट. I don't feel any kind of effect on my skin. I have a extremely oily skin, especially in summers, and उसके बाद मेरा skin फिर भी चिपचिपा सा लगता है, and I just don't feel comfortable with that feeling on my skin. So 7-8 महीने से वो सिर्फ मेरे फ्रिज में ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है. Nobody uses it. I don't use it. it's just there, it will get expired, I'll have to throw it away. So when I see no use of it, I will definitely not even buy it in future. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. This was one of a kind of a video that I have done on my channel. Let me know कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आपने recent year में खरीदनी, बाय करनी छोड़ दी है. Do let me know in the comment section. अगर आप लोग चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं, you know the drill. Until my next video, bye.